The first step to replacing the power window motor is to remove the door cover. And for the 2002 to 2006 or maybe 2007 Honda CRV, there's not a lot to have to remove. You will need to remove this cover that is located right in here. If you have like a little screwdriver or a pick, you can get right up inside there and it'll pop out. And then there'll be 2 screws inside there. I've already lost one of mine. And then up here in this door, there'll be one of these, and it'll have a little clip, or a little pin actually, that sits inside there, and it'll look like that. And if you use a little pick, it'll lift up a little bit, and then you can pull it out some, and then the whole thing can come out if you use this a regular screwdriver just to help assist it out. These are they get very brittle, and so they will break sometimes, so don't be surprised. They'll break, and then you can get new ones. They have replacements for them. Then there's also, just under the door handle, there's a little pocket right there. It's kind of hard to see, but up in that pocket there is a Phillips head screwdriver that you'll need to remove the screws, as well as up inside this one here. The rest of the door panel, it has clips that are secured on the back side of it. Sorry for the cars. You can use a screwdriver. Preferably you want to use like a plastic wedge that they sell, so it's not as hard on the sides, because as plastic gets older it gets more brittle, and you just wedge in and just pop it and work your way around. Then you can lift it up and out, and once you have it up and out, then on the back side of the motor controls for the windows, it's got some plugs, and you just unplug those. And reason why you want to unplug them is in order to be able to get to the window, you may have to adjust where it's at in order to unbolt it from the power window actuator.